When doing a problem like this, you have to be careful because the ratio change and also the amounts change. So it's important to keep an eye on what doesn't change. So for this one, it says the number of seabirds to the number of sea turtles early is represented by the ratio 3 to 2. But then 15 sea turtles are rescued. So there's more sea turtles that get rescued here. In fact, 15 more. And the ratio in the afternoon went from 3 to 2. And now it's a ratio of 9 to 11. So what I have to pay attention here is this amount of seabirds here doesn't change, but the ratio goes from 3 to 9. So I can do this, actually, and make it 9 without changing it. But then I'll also have to do this and this. So it was 3 to 2. Now it's 9 to 6. And now I can see something. I see that 9 and 9 remains the same, but this 9 went to be 11. So what happened was this 6 went to be 11, so I had these 6 pieces, but then it had to gain 5 more pieces or 15 total things. So that means each of these pieces has to be 3. So if that's the case, then I know that this 15, if this was 6 pieces originally, this had to be 18. And if this was 9 pieces originally, this had to be 27. So I can see that how many seabirds are at the rescue center. There's 27 because there's 9 parts that are each 3. How many sea turtles were there in the afternoon? Well, there were the 18 from the morning that I now know because it was 6 pieces, each worth 3, plus the 15 in the afternoon they told me added on. So that's a total of 33 pieces, which makes sense because there's 11 total pieces with 3 being each. Try this one. You can pause it and then we'll go over it. So the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls at a dance is 5 to 6. So it says, so it was originally 5 to 6. It said after more boys joined, the boys to girls became 13 to 12. Well, the girls don't change, but their number changes. So I guess if I just do this, if I make this as a relationship instead of 5 to 6, if I made it 10 to 12, then I would get the 12 pieces I wanted from earlier. This became 10 pieces. But the ratio went up to 13. So that means that I had to add 1, 2, 3 more pieces to get up to 13. So let's see what they say. How many members joined the club? Well, this 3 extra pieces that grew is a total of 6 things. So that means each of these small pieces has to be 2. So that means how many members are girls? Well, if each of these small pieces is 2, and this is 12 small pieces, the amount of girls must be 24. And then they said how many boys in the end? Well, it looks like it started out as 10 pieces, and there were 3 more pieces. Or they started out as 20 total things, and we added 6 more total things. It became 26 total things. So that means the ratio of boys to girls is 24 to 26 at the end, which matches with 13 to 12, because the ratio of 13 to 12 is the same as a ratio of 26 to 24.